Okay, so I have two working door alarms. Um, this one here is the ESP module, and the ESP, I should be able to continue to adapt and build off of this board to add a camera module to it. It's Wi-Fi, so if I have more of these particular rigs, I should be able to network them and also add a camera and some of the support features that you were asking me about, especially as far as remote manipulation. And we should be able to hook this up too. I was doing some research for magnetic door locks, and we should be able to hook this up for magnetic door lock manipulation. Okay. The This particular board here is it's about it's about $10-15 for the top board. There's a bottom board that I added to it. It's a power module because I didn't want to solder power connections, and I didn't want to solder all of the pins. I got the bottom board because we can expand on this particular module with the bottom board. You can barely see it, but there's a bunch of tiny little pins by that bottom white wire there. And those are where other modules can be added to it, like manipulation for the magnetic lock door entry, camera, etc. Okay, this is a working model. And at this phase, now remind you again, this is modular, so we can continue to add to this. But the entryway audible is active, and when I'm on site, I should be able to reconfigure some of the code to put this onto a computer network. So I'm going to need, or you are going to need a just a little tiny little laptop that it doesn't have to be anything new or super powerful. Just a cheap little laptop that would be like a security station or something, or at least something on network where I can get it onto your particular network and finish the programming. This one here, this is about a this is my personal board. I got to order another one to replace this. I only have one of these, but I don't mind going and hooking it up on the site. This one here, it's about, I think I paid $20 for this board. But also, it is expandable. It's just a different type of board. But this is also a working audible working door alarm. Plus, this too is expandable, so I can get a camera module. I can get a Wi-Fi adapter. The Wi-Fi adapter for this particular board is about $8, I think, and I might be able to get two for $8 or something like that, which is a really good deal. And I can also set this up with a program for like a internet automation, for like internet home automation, basically. So I should be able to hook this up too with mag locks and cameras and stuff like that. I did research mag locks. I've got a couple of ideas for the system, and they are remote triggered. So they're between $100 and $200 for the locking rigs. I want to research them a little bit more, and then I'll send you links and you can review them yourself. But I want to make sure that they can be hooked up to the, hooked up to all of this equipment for remote access, and make sure that everything kind of integrates, or we're not creating too many processes. Okay, I can talk about it more in detail when we have a chance to meet face to face.